What happens to where do you think Beto runs for next?
I don't think his chances are that great for dog catch, but maybe that's the only office he could possibly win.
He's lost state house representative. He's lost governor. He's lost Senate. He's lost a presidential race, flamed out in the presidential race. He spent hundreds of millions of dollars basically losing at everything.
You know, he should run for president of the local skateboarding club, because I think that's the only thing he's qualified to.
That's about it. The ghastly TikTok video of him dancing is definitely, it's cringe-inducing. He needs to, find one of these deep blue cities or counties in South Texas and run for office there, because that's the only place he's going to win.